Joseph at the second Christmas. You can't make a story.
Oh, hello there, little lads, little fellows. Welcome to my science lab. Oh, not exactly my science lab. I have a boss, but he is evil. I mean, real evil, okay? So don't tell him I'm doing this right now. Before he comes, let me talk to you about science, since you're in my science lab. Do you see this? Do you see the color? That's the color of our planet, Earth. And do you know what the nickname for Earth is? It's called a blue planet. Do you know why it's the blue planet? Because it's blue when you're seeing from outer space. And it's blue because we have the element of life. Water. You do know that you need water to survive, right? You guys drink water every day, every month, every year. And I do too, because we're living things. And the reason why Earth is special with water on it is because with water, we can have life on Earth. Unless produce some crazy alien friends out there, I'm pretty sure humans and animals on this Earth are the only living things so far found. Be proud, we are living on Earth. Look at this board, okay? There's a long word that you might not like, but you have to know it, because you'll learn more about it in the future. The word is environment, and this means the living space of where you live. So basically, your home can be environment. The mountains can be the environment of birds, snakes, deers, and everything. So environment is a big word to describe where things live. Okay? In the environment, non-living things and living things make up the environment. So it's not just who lives there, it's also the water, the soil, and the sun. All non-living things that helps make an environment. And the living things, of course, there are things like plants and animals everywhere. Okay? Now, to help you understand, let me introduce some new friends of mine. Do you want to see them? Nibbles, hurry up, come here. My name is Nibbles. I'm a bunny, okay? I'm a bunny. Leo, come out. Hello, I'm Leo. I'm a lion. Mr. Woods, you also come out. I'm Mr. Woods. Hello to meet you guys. Lastly, Snape, come out. I'm Snape. Nice to meet you guys. These 4 friends will help you understand more about the food web. A food web is an important part of the environment. Why? because living things need to eat to survive, such as Leo and Snape eat poor Nibbles. In real life, it's true, even though you might not like it. Yes, Nibbles looks nice. But in real life, Leo and Snape eat rabbits. Why? To survive. Okay, so if Leo eats Nibbles, and if Nibbles eat the carrot, what do carrots eat? Have you ever thought about that question? What do carrots eat? Do they just starve? No, carrots are plants, and plants are very special. They make their own food using sunlight. The process is very complicated, okay, which you'll learn in the future. So, that's all with my friends. See you. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. So, did you enjoy that? Just remember, Earth is special. Oh, look, my experience almost done. I better go. See you guys later before my boss comes. Bye.
We're safe.
Oh, thank
We're
God.
safe.
Thank God.
What was that?
I don't know what it was, but I did see something. We'll go to my lab. It's close by. We can figure something out from there. I study living organisms.
Oh, really? I studied matter. You know what's so interesting? The other day I was listening to...
He's fallen into my trap.
Yeah. What? Hey, what's that? What you doing? Let's go see.
Hey, what are you doing?
Just looking at some plants. Stem.
The leaves.
Where's he going?
Look at the leaves. You seen them? Let's look at them. Okay, what am I supposed to look at? Look at this beautiful plant. Yeah. What's so special about them? What's so special about them? Here, let me show you.
Plants are everywhere. Plants are very important to our world. But without the plants, animals could not survive. Us humans could not survive. You can find tall plants, small plants, thick plants, and thin plants. But first, let's begin with the base of plants, the roots. Roots have a very important job in plants. Their job is to take in nutrients and water from the soil, which will help the plant grow. You might not know this, but vegetables such as carrots, turnips, and beetroot are all roots actually. The stems of plants carry the water from the roots to the rest of the plant. The stem also supports the plant, keeping it up straight and towards sunlight. The stem and trunk of the tree have the same function. Leaves come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. The main function of leaves is to produce food for the plant, and they can do this with the help of sunlight. Flowers come in multiples of 3 or 4. However, not all plants have flowers. Some of the functions of flowers are to attract pollinators such as bees and to produce seeds which will later on become plants. Did you know that just like flowers growing on plants, fruits grow on trees? Seeds are the basis of plant growth. When you're planting a seed, you will need nutrient soil, water, and sunlight. Now, here's a little clip that will teach you about plant growth.
For a plant to stay alive, it needs 5 things I would not lie. soil just like so. And it needs soil just like so. Plants need space, they can't be tight. Plants need space, they can't be tight. The sun helps plants by giving light. The sun helps plants by giving light. Don't forget to give plants air. Don't forget to give plants air. Repeat the needs if you dare. Repeat the needs if you dare. Need 1, water. Need 2, soil. Need 3, space. Need 4, light. Need 5, air. A plant.
Now you've learned about plants.
Who are you?
Hey! Where are you going? What just happened? Go. Shabab! Shabab, where are you? Oh, you're up there. Come down, I need to talk to you.
Have you placed the tracking devices on target?
Yeah, I have. Don't worry, we'll find the lab soon. I'm sure of it.
Alright.
What have you seen?
I've seen many things.
I have seen coral reefs. These rainforests of the sea are found in warm and shallow waters. They are made from the exoskeletons of thousands of animals called polyps. Only some of the corals in the reef are actually alive. A fourth of all the fish in the sea live in coral reefs. Fish do not have lungs like other animals. They have gills that let them breathe underwater. Sharks and octopuses live here too, even though octopuses are not fish because they have tentacles and not fins. I have also seen many insects. There are more types of insects than any other animal and plant in the world. They are a type of arthropod just like spiders and crabs. Their bodies are divided into 3 parts, a head, thorax, and abdomen. They also have exoskeletons that protect them like armor. I've seen amphibians. These animals lay their eggs in water to keep them moist and alive. In frogs, the eggs hatch into tadpoles, which do not have any arms or legs. They have gills and a tail to live in water. Eventually, the tadpoles will grow arms and legs. They will lose their tails and gills, but get lungs so they can breathe on land. The frogs still need to stay close to the water, or else their skin will dry up. Soon the frogs will lay their own eggs. I've seen reptiles as well. There are many different types including turtles and tortoises, lizards, crocodiles, and snakes. Reptiles have scales that keep water inside their body, allowing them to live away from water, even in deserts, unlike amphibians. Reptiles are also ectotherms. That means they cannot control their own body temperature. I've seen birds. These animals are the only type of animals that can use their feathers to fly. Most birds build nests in which they lay their eggs. But there are many different types of birds, and some use their beaks and feet to catch their prey. Others, like the ostrich and emu, cannot fly, but instead can run very fast because of their long legs. Penguins are a type of bird which can't fly either, but they can swim very well in the cold and Arctic Ocean. The last type of animal that I have seen are mammals. Whales and dolphins are a type of mammal even though they live in the ocean. This is because they do not have gills and need to come up for air to breathe. Many mammals are the biggest animals on our planet, but all mammals are similar in 2 ways. First, they all have hair. Some mammals, like whales and elephants, have less hair than others, but they do all have hair. Second, all mammals get milk from their mothers when they are young. Primates are the only animals with opposable thumbs, just like humans.
know. I'll see you in the lab.
Welcome to my lab.
You have a really nice place here.
Are you ready?
Yes. Who is this?
Our new experiment. Very good specimen. There. Well, hello, Fred. It's been a while. Look, bring my tools.
Yes, boss.
This will be amazing. The surgical tools. It's time to cut him up. Video diary entry 1. New specimen, Joseph Poon. Are his senses no longer usable?
Yes, for your convenience, boss, I've dulled his 5 senses of touch, smell, sight, hearing, and taste.
And where do those senses come from on the body?
Ah, my boss. Taste is from his mouth, sight from his eyes when it's open, nose, which can smell, his hands and the rest of the body which he can feel and touch, and his ear to hear sound.
Okay. Let's observe what the human body can do.
To your pleasure, boss.
First, there is the digestive system. In the digestive system, we eat food and use it as energy. Like a car. When you put gasoline into it, that's the energy it uses so it can move. You put food in through your mouth, and it goes down a pathway. Let me now show you the compartments of the body from my previous experiments. The heart, ladies and gentlemen. Body is something truly amazing. So many things happen in the body that allow us to do all the things we do every day. Let's talk about breathing. Some people ask, why do I breathe faster when I run? You suck in air through your nose and mouth, day and night. That's called breathing. Your body needs air for walking, talking, playing, and thinking. When you run fast, your body works extra hard. You need extra air, so you breathe faster. A lot of children ask, why do I have to brush my teeth? Well, not all the food you eat goes to your stomach. A few small pieces stick to your teeth. If the food stays there too long, it can cause your teeth to get tiny holes called cavities. Brushing your teeth washes away the food before cavities can form. Did you know the first teeth you have are called baby teeth? When you are 5 or 6 years old, they begin to fall out one by one, and a new set of grown-up teeth takes their place. I'm pretty sure you guys hate getting shots from doctors, especially when you don't even feel sick. Let me tell you why you get shots like that. Shots protect you from germs. Germs are too small to see, but they are everywhere. When germs get inside us, they can make us feel sick. When you get a shot, your body makes germ fighters called antibodies. They protect you from some of the germs that could make you sick. These kind of shots are called vaccines. Bones. You have over 206 bones in your body. Together they are called your skeleton. Your skeleton is the reason you stand, and your skeleton protects all your internal organs. What happens when you break a bone? Your bones are hard and strong, but if you have a bad fall, a bone can crack or break. Then a doctor puts a cast over the broken place. A cast is like a hard shell that holds the broken bone in place. Slowly the broken pieces grow together. Once the bone heals, the cast comes off. Oh, and remember to drink your milk, because milk makes your bones stronger. Why do you bleed when you get a cut? Your blood travels through tubes in your body called blood vessels. When you scratch or cut your skin, We also break some tiny blood vessels just under the skin. That's why blood trickles out. Did you know your body can fix most small cuts by itself? When you bleed, the blood dries and forms a scab. Under that scab, the skin is healing. When it's all better, the scab falls off. And remember, a bandage keeps a cut clean so it will heal faster.
Time to open up his chest.
You sure you want to do this, boss?
Stop! Who are you? No, it's you!
Wake up! What?
Get up, quickly! We have to go! You've been working on an experiment in matter, right?
Yeah?
We have to go! This is classified information! You've been captured, let's go!
What's going on?
Wait, you don't have a clearance for this. After you. Wait here. I'm gonna go prep the interrogation room. Show me what you've got. Okay, this is good enough. Call him in.
Sure. What are you doing?
I'm drinking my milk. Everyone needs to drink milk for their bones to become strong.
Really? Have you sent the information to the computer?
Yeah, I have. Sit down over there. Quickly! Take log of the interview. Go ahead.
So Joseph Poon, do you know who we are?
No.
We're federal agents of the United States government. And we need your research, Joseph.
It's very important. We really, really need it. Do you know who you were with today? Would you like to know?
Yeah.
Thanks to you, we have located and defeated one of the worst criminals on our list.
He was one of our most dangerous criminals, a wanted felon for many, many crimes. But it is important that you help us in our investigation. We need your research.
All we know is that you've been working on matter. We need to know what exactly it was. Will you give it to us? We need to know the information. We just got lucky that Moise did not know what you were up to. So will you tell us this is your last chance? Give me a laptop. Show us exactly what you were working on. Here, come look at this.
Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is Joseph Poon. Project Matter. Time 1200. Place the unknown. Today I found something very interesting. Something that will change the world. Where did I find it? I found it at McDonald's. I went there to eat lunch. I ordered a tasty, delicious, mouth-watering Big Mac with these juicy, crunchy French fries and the best, sweetest, awesome soda, Coca-Cola. I sat down and started eating this lovely meal. Then, I burped. Boy, I'm hungry. Something then popped into my mind. Matter. Everything is made up of matter. What is matter? Well, matter is made up of these small things called atoms. These things connect to each other like magnets. And they can form into 3 shapes. Solid, liquid, and gas. A solid is when all these atoms are stuck to each other, like my hamburger. The meat, veggies, and the bread all stick together to make one hamburger. Another example is a baseball. It's hard, and it hurts. A liquid is when these atoms touch each other and can move like when you go on a slide. You're touching the slide, yet you can move. When you're underwater, you're surrounded by liquid. If you zoom in very closely, you can see that the atoms are sliding against your skin. Gas is when these things just go everywhere, burping or farting. Another example is blowing a balloon. Inside the balloon, you're blowing these gases that just keep pushing out. Instead, it gets bigger and bigger. In the lab, I started doing some tests, and I realized that you can change a solid into a liquid. This ice cube, for example, is melting into water. Water can also freeze to become ice. But what I also found out was that water can boil, turning it into gas. I found it very difficult, however, to turn ice into gas, and so I just gave up. And this is what I found out. I have a feeling that this information can be very valuable.
And that's what I've been working on.
Thank you very much. This will save many lives. But Joseph, it's important that we secure your information and you in one of our many safe houses. Please come with us.
Okay.
Everything went exactly as planned. I let them find me. Take Joseph. Bring him here to this government building. And throw my man inside. I know everything.